Hello all, welcome to the video. In this video today, we'll be learning the exact difference between master's thesis and PhD thesis. All the students, the professors, academic scholars interchangeably use these terms master's thesis and PhD thesis, which creates the confusion because the exact difference between both of these should be known by the writers and the researchers to increase the quality of their writing and to know what to do when they are doing their master's thesis and PhD thesis. Master's thesis is usually done in the last semesters while they are just about to leave their university after doing master's, and PhD thesis is done from the day one when they start their PhD till the last. So it takes round about 3 to 6 years to complete a PhD thesis, while it just takes few months or can take up to 1 year to complete master's thesis. So in order to understand what is the exact difference between both, we start with the goal. So, in case of master's thesis, the goal of master's thesis demonstrate the acquired knowledge that they have learned during their master's thesis. So they need to apply the knowledge they have learned during their master's thesis, and for that, they don't have to create a new research aim or a new research study. They can work on the present literature, synthesize the literature, or do longitudinal study, increase the years, or change or make changes in few techniques that were employed by the earlier study. Also, they can replicate the study that has been done by the previous researcher. So the goal is to just demonstrate that I have learned everything. I know how to apply the model. Whereas in case of PhD thesis, you have to take a new research question. So in case of PhD, the required research is extensive. Whereas in case of master's thesis, you can synthesize the existing literature as well, or also replicate the study. But in case of PhD, you need to take new research question, new methods, or you can even develop a new theory, new model, new tool to analyze your data and reach up to your conclusion. So the goal that you have to keep in your mind while you're doing your PhD thesis is that it should be worthy enough to go in for publication. Whereas in case of master's thesis, the goal is to ensure that your content in your master's thesis is as per the knowledge that you have attained in your master's degree. And after reading your thesis, your professor should be content that your concepts are clear and you have perfect knowledge of doing research. And if it is publication ready, then it is fine. And if it is not, it's also fine, because the goal was to score good marks for your master's degree. Whereas PhD thesis, the goal has to be publication. We have talked about the goal of writing both master's thesis and PhD thesis. Let's talk about scope and length of both. So scope and length of a master's thesis is shorter than that of PhD thesis. Master's thesis can be up to 100 pages or 150 pages, but a PhD thesis can range up from 400 to 600 pages and includes more chapters than the master's thesis. So it's very important for you to learn that master's thesis will require less pages because the work that you had done is less. You need to demonstrate all that you have done, but it will be in a concise manner as compared to PhD thesis. PhD thesis requires everything that you have done, from your method development, from your analysis, from your conclusion. Of course, it will be from 400 to 600 pages, and it will require more chapters as compared to the master's thesis. Now let's talk about the supervision part. When you write a master's thesis while you are doing your master's degree, the supervision or the evaluation of your master's thesis will be done by the internal committee. There can be an oral test or a defense test that can be done by the internal committee or internal supervisor in your university, and you will get marks according to that. Whereas in PhD thesis, an external committee and supervisor will come up to you and ask you questions. There will be an oral defense test that will be done. You need to justify the research gap that you have aimed at and everything about your study. So it is a rigorous test in case of PhD thesis as compared to master's thesis. You need to just understand that the outcome is that should be a publishable content when you are doing your PhD thesis. Let's talk about guidance now. Guidance में क्या फर्क होता है while you are doing your master's thesis and PhD thesis? So while you are doing your master's thesis, you are in the process of completing your master's degree. So you'll be getting extensive guidance from your professors, supervisors on the basis of what topic you are taking, what research question you have chosen, what methods you are taking, and you can approach them for your questions. However, while you are doing your PhD thesis, of course, you have a supervisor, but it is mainly an independent research work, and you can, of course, take guidance, but mainly the research work is yours, and you need to decide what question is for your research with other tools that you are taking up, how different is your study, what makes your study different. So, everything around your PhD is your own independent work, and the guidance is less as compared to master's degree. You need to understand that the analogy of master's degree is that you are proving your competence in that. So for that you'll be needing guidance. However, the analogy in PhD thesis will be adding new experts to the field, new tools to the field, new findings into the field. So in that case, you need to do rigorous research before you start your PhD thesis. While you are doing your master's thesis, you can go up to your professor, ask them about the research question that you should be taking up, because that will be preparing for your PhD in case you want to pursue it in future. So master's degree can be stated that the purpose of master's degree is to prove your competence, and the purpose of PhD thesis is to bring out new things, new technology, new findings to the literature field. Thank you. I hope the video was useful for you to understand the exact difference between master's thesis and PhD thesis. If you have any questions related to this video, please type in the comments. Thank you so much.